Today we're going to draw the letter A. Let's get started. Draw a big slanted line. Now another one, and connect them at the top. Awesome! Now add the bottom and make the letter nice and bold. Great job! Let's draw the small triangle in the middle of the capital A. Perfect! Our capital A looks amazing. Now let's draw the lowercase a. Start with a nice round circle. Keep the curve smooth and add the tall side to complete the letter. Excellent! Make the outline thicker so it stands out beautifully. Wow! Both the capital A and lowercase a are looking fantastic. 1 to 105. Thanks for drawing with me. See you in the next fun lesson. Bye!